Hey guys, I'm Adrian with Concussion Bros. Today I got Kendel here with me. Yo, and today we are solving the Rubik's Cube. Let's get started. First of all, you gotta get yourself a nice Rubik's Cube. You get these from Dollar Tree, Walmart, and even theRubiksCube.com. Let's move on to the next step. Okay, second of all, you gotta mix up your Rubik's Cube. Now we got this mixed up. You can. Now we finally got this mixed up. Now let's go to the Rubik's Cube solving area. Yeah. Okay, now you first gotta start out on the white side, red on the side, blue on the top. Depends on what Rubik's Cube time you have. Then all you gotta do is this.
This is a pretty simple algorithm, actually. Okay. Do exactly what I do. Turn it this way. One in the back, one on the side. And if you do this algorithm 2 times, it should actually work. Okay, this is the last. Okay, like that. As you can tell that this is actually solved right there. Down, side, down, that. Okay. Back to that side.
And this should work.